Hello everybody. Today, inshallah, we will talk about BGP Community, No-Advertise. As you can see here from the topology that we have for router, what we want to do that once R1 is advertising this network, I want only R1 is receiving this network. This is what we will learn it today, inshallah. Let's go to the topology, and here is router 1. So let's start to configure it. As you can see here, we'll go on config mode on Cisco. Here in Huawei it's called system view. Let's change the name to be 1, and I will stop these messages. Okay, let's start configure it. IP address will be undo shut, which means no shut. Let's configure the loopback now. IP address will be 11.1.1.1. Okay, let's go to router 2. Same thing, we want to change the name to terminal monitor. Okay, the interface gig 0/0/0 will be .2.2/24 undo shut, and what else? We will configure this interface, which is going to R3 also, which is gig interface 0/0/2. The address will be 192.168.23.2.24, undo shut also. Quit. Now we will configure this link R2 and R4. Okay, IP address will be .24.2/24, and also undo shut. Okay, return here also. Okay, now let's go to R3. Okay, R3, it's already named, and no need. Terminal monitor. Let's check whether the interface is configured or not. Here the interface is already configured. Okay, so no need to do anything here. Okay, let's go to R4. Terminal monitor system. Let's change the name, and let's configure the interface itself. Sorry, 92.68.24.4, and do shut. Okay, so now we configured the physical interfaces between 4 router. Let's start configuring BGP between this router. Okay, on router 1, BGP server system number 1. Here it's called peer. On Cisco we will name it as neighbor. Okay, .2, sorry, number will be number 2. Okay, and router 2, same thing here also, BGP, and the peer number will be number 1, and here it's neighbor between router 2 and router 3 will be R3, and also R4 here will be. There's a good command here, it's called display this. No need to go out from the config mode, so we can see what we already configured here. As you can see here, this is the neighbor between router 1, router 3 and router 4. Let's check router 3. I think I configured it already. Yeah, it's already configured here, as you can see. Okay, let's go to router 4. BGP 3 peer will be, and 24.2 number 2. Display this. It will show you what you already configured here. Okay, let's check the BGP peer. Still idle. Check here also. Here it's already established, as you can see. Okay, return display BGP peer. As you can see, the neighbor between router 1, router 3 and router 4 is up and established. Here also. So now the BGP, it's become up now between the 4 router, and everything it's okay now. Okay, let's now advertise the network 1.1.1.1. okay, GB1 network. Here it will be 24. Okay, let's see it. Okay, there's the advertising. On Cisco we were using show IP BGP. Here we are using this command. Okay, let's check the neighbor here. It's already received by router 2. Router 3 also is receiving this network. Let's go to router 4, and router 4 also is receiving this network. So I want only R2 is receiving this network. I don't want R3 and R4 receive this network. Okay, let's go to R2 and configure the community. We will configure here route policy, which is on route map on Cisco. We will name it no-advertise, then permit. Now let's say 10. If match, here you will name, let's say, the access list. It's up to you if you want to make it a basic or you will specific on the access list name. let's make it 2000. Okay, once it's matched, what he will do, he will do the community, which is applying community here, as you can see. Then what kind of of community we will use? We will use no-advertise, which is, as you can see here, don't advertise to any peer. No advertise. Okay, now let's configure the access list. Access list here, we name it 2000. Then it will be rule 2000 permit source, then white mask. It will be .7. Okay, or okay. Then you can see here also display this. This is what we configured here. Sorry, I'm sorry about this one. I'm sorry also. It will be like this then. Rule 2000 permit source okay. Now we configured the route policy and we already configured the access list. Okay, now we will go to BGP to apply this policy. BGP to display this. We will apply it here on this peer. Once router 1 is sending this network here, router 2 will not advertise this network to any of this peer. Okay, peer route policy, as you can see, you know it, import. Okay, display this, as you can see. Okay, let's go to R3 and R2 and R4. As you can see here, this network no more available here on router 3, and also R4 is not receiving this network. Let's check here. Display BGP routing. Yeah, router 2 is receiving this network, but router 3 and router 4, they cannot receive it anymore. Okay, that's it. I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for watching this video.